Hello everyone. Welcome back to the unabove trainings, your one-stop shop for learn all on latest SAP BTP technologies. Today, we're diving deep into the SAP BTP Usage Analytics dashboard, your command center for tracking consumption and controlling costs. If you manage a BTP account, this video is essential. By the end of these 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to monitor your services, identify cost drivers, and implement best practices for cost optimization. Let's get started. Here we logged into our Enterprise BTP subaccount. At the bottom left, we click on Usage Analytics option. Let me walk you through what we're looking at here. This is the Usage Analytics section for the subaccount unabove learners. At the top, you'll see 3 key metrics. First, 31 active services. This shows you have 31 different services currently running in your account. Second, 3 active subscriptions with 12 available. This tells you which application subscriptions are being used versus what's available to you. Third, 1 space, indicating you have 1 Cloud Foundry space configured. The date range shown here is January 1st to February 18th, 2026. Always check your time period to ensure you're analyzing the right data. Now let's explore the Services tab. This is where the real insights live. You can filter by 4 dimensions. Capability, groups services by function. Service, individual service names. Metric, the measurement unit. Period, your time range. Looking at the service plan details, we can see Audit log service with OAuth2. This is consuming storage below the default retention period and has 0.8 AI requests. The chart shows usage spikes in calendar weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7. SAP HANA Cloud. HANA free tier, this is significant. Notice the consumption. 3.5 capacity units. 64 GB hours of compute time. 4 vCPU hours. 0 GB storage currently. 1,680 GB hours of storage over time. 1.1 GB hours of storage for other services. Pro tip, HANA Cloud services can be your biggest cost driver. These compute and storage hours add up quickly. Switching to the Spaces tab, this shows Cloud Foundry runtime consumption. Here we see multiple dev spaces, all using SAP HANA Cloud free tier. The space usage chart is crucial. Notice that graph shooting up to 110 megabytes in CW07? This dramatic increase from 0.0 byte to 110 megabytes indicates new deployments were made in calendar week 7. Memory consumption jumped significantly. Cloud Foundry runtime for 1 space is using 10.0 megabytes. The table breaks down each dev space showing individual capacity units, GB hours consumed, vCPU hours used, storage volumes. This granular view helps you identify which spaces are consuming the most resources. Now for the most important part, how to keep your costs under control. Here are my top 6 recommendations. 1. Set up regular monitoring. Review this dashboard weekly. Export usage reports monthly. Set calendar reminders for reviews. 2. Identify and stop unused services. Look for services with 0.0 usage. Delete development environments after testing. Clean up old dev spaces regularly. 3. Optimize HANA Cloud usage. Stop HANA instances when not in use. Consider scheduling autostop for non-production. Monitor those GB hours and vCPU hours closely. 4. Leverage free tiers wisely. The HANA free tier has limits, track them. Upgrade only when necessary. Use free tiers for dev/test, not production. 5. Implement tagging and governance. Tag services by project or cost center. Create naming conventions for spaces. Establish approval processes for new services. 6. Set up alerts. Configure threshold alerts in BTP. Monitor approaching quota limits. Get notified before costs spike. Let me give you 3 immediate action items you can do today. Action 1. Log into your BTP cockpit and navigate to Usage Analytics. familiarize yourself with the layout. Action 2. Identify your top 3 resource consumers. These are your cost control priorities. Action 3. Set a recurring calendar reminder to review this dashboard every Monday morning. Remember, BTP cost optimization isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing practice. The earlier you catch unusual consumption patterns, the easier they are to address. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more SAP BTP tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what BTP topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, keep those costs optimized and happy learning.